Hello friends, welcome to my zero oil 21-day challenge. Heat the pan, add makhanas and roast it till it turns crunchy. Check the makhana, see it becomes crunchy, remove it. Now add some cumin seeds, roast it. Add one chopped onion, roast the onion till it turns golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste, saute it well so the smell will vanish. Now add tomato puree and salt to release water. Saute it. Add spices of your choice. Mix it well. You can see. Add some water. And our roasted. Once it is cooked, add our roasted makhanas. Now cover the pan and cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. See, the delicious zero oil makhana is ready to serve. Thank you.